back out of Target and I did find the album, and it was $29 and some change after tax. So I am super excited that I didn't have to ask an employee to find this album for me. They were just sitting out, fully stocked on the shelves. And yeah, I only got one. Like I said, I have my 3 copies coming from K-Town for you, so there's no point of getting more. And obviously it's a little expensive, so yeah, I'm super excited to unbox this for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, and yeah, I will see you guys when I get home. All right, so I am back home and I'm finally gonna unbox this album. I'm so excited, being that this is my first copy of the album, and it does come with an exclusive photo card, which I believe is just a group card if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, let me go ahead and get my X-Acto knife. Speaking of the album, the tracks are amazing. I listened to it the first time and I really enjoyed it, but as I kept listening to it, I just fell in love with all the songs. Currently, my favorite song is Anti-Romantic and Frost. I think those are my 2 favorite songs. Ooh, this was nice. Here is the front and the back. So it's in the same type of packaging their previous release was in. This version is so pretty. Also, I'm so happy that Bumkyu and Kai have gotten way more lines, and it's nice hearing their voice. But yeah, I really love this album so much. They always seem to take it up a notch each comeback. Looks really good. Also, is it No Rules? That stage is so cute. I found myself laughing a lot when watching that stage. It's just so fun. But then we have Subin. I am living for these Prince concepts lately. Gosh, his long hair, I love his long hair. It's just, I hope he doesn't cut it, but I have a feeling he will. Wow. And we have Taehyun. His hair is also really, really pretty. Okay, so now we have all of the thanks to. And that is the end of the photo book. Very lovely photo book. I really liked this concept. I haven't seen the other 2 yet. is the CD. Wow, it is so pretty. Okay, that's that. And then we have stickers. Then I think this is the lyrics, yeah. And then you get a big folded poster. I'm not sure if this comes in the Korean press, but whoa, okay. I'm just going to show you their faces. It's a decent sized poster. Okay. Here's my postcard. 1, 2, 3. Of course, it wouldn't be an unboxing if I didn't pull Yeonjun. So I got his postcard. And then we're gonna take a look at the Target exclusive photo card first. So it just looks like this. It's a group card, a really pretty one. And then for the photo cards, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Taehyun. Oh, these are really cute. That's what the back looks like. It says the Star Seekers. So we have Mr. Taehyun. And then for the other member photo card, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Taehyun again. I'm honestly not mad because the photo cards for this version in particular are just super pretty. But hopefully I get some Soobin in my K-Town For You copies. But yeah, that was the end of this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!